Hey there guys, what's up and welcome to Finance Ninja. You may not believe this, but it is feasible to earn a lot of money regularly to fulfill your dreams. Yes indeedy, you heard that right. There's a strategy that'll allow you to earn as much money as you want. You should stay with us to the finish because we're going to tell you about a new website that pays you $570 in PayPal money daily. Earn PayPal Money 2022. Number 6. Attention please. Making money online should be a simple process for individuals who don't have a lot of time or energy to devote to it. They've discovered a way they may use over and over again to earn up to $500 in a single day. If you stick to us till the very end, we'll teach you how to earn it and how to do it correctly. We'll lay out the processes in detail, and if you follow them exactly, we promise you'll be able to make money in under 10 minutes. You must also ensure that you contribute by paying attention to everything we say, especially the smallest nuances. This money-making strategy involves no experience or knowledge, and it doesn't require any financial investment. You can do it on your phone or computer, making it very convenient because you can do it anywhere, even in a cafe or skydiving. Let us also remind you that the amount of money you can make is all up to you, since you may work as much or as little as you like and still make money. Number 5. What's the name of the website? PaidEra.com is the name of the website for today. Of course, the first thing you should do is open your browser and navigate to that page. You may make money on PaidEra by doing surveys, performing activities that mainly consist of answering a few questions, creating and posting videos to YouTube, and recommending people. You may even earn money by writing articles. By the way, they have a low cash threshold of $5, and you can get paid in as little as 24 hours, so you won't have to wait as long as you would on other websites, and as it says on its webpage when you arrive, all-in-one money-making solution, turn your time into money. They have over 930,000 members, 7.8 million tasks completed, and over 1,500 payments sent to users. Now, as you may have seen, not many individuals get paid since they either don't execute the duties correctly or don't earn enough. Number 4. How can you boost your earnings? Today, we'll demonstrate to you how to do it correctly and how to keep increasing your earnings and earn 10 times what other people are earning. Of course, the most crucial thing that we must do first is to create an account. Simply click on the Create an Account button on the upper right side of the web page, and you'll be taken to the sign up page where you just need to type in the details they require, and if you join today, you'll make $15 more for all of your completed tasks because they have a limited offer. Along with that, on the opposite side of the registration box, you'll notice what you need to perform to make money. When joining up, make sure you fill in the exact and proper information, especially your email address, as you'll be receiving messages there from time to time. Once you've created an account and joined up, you'll be able to check your total earnings and how much they paid you on the dashboard. It's extremely simple to discover your assignment since it's on the panel on the left side where you can submit videos, do microtasks, and even check your completed microtasks as well as all the other activities you can do to be paid. And just below that, there are surveys, quizzes, and online reviews. When you click on the tasks, you'll see all of the available options and how much money you can make. On the other hand, one of the best things about this website is that when they ask you to install or download an app, all you have to do is open it and play with it for a few minutes and you'll be instantly compensated. They have some extremely entertaining applications that you can use here, so it won't be too hard or dull for you. We understand that the profits aren't huge right now, but once you've completed 10 assignments, whatever you earn after that will be increased by 2. Number 3. Don't go yet. Some people are unaware of this because when they discover that they will only be paid in cents, they become disheartened, close the window, and go. If you look at it this way, you'll essentially be clicking on buttons and earning money right now. Sounds easier, doesn't it? When you click on a survey, you may instantly choose and answer any surveys that are provided to you. You're not required to answer all of the surveys. Instead, you can select the ones that you like or are interested in. However, the more surveys people do, the more money they get. By the way, these surveys are so simple that you could probably complete them in less than a minute or two. Number 2. Treat of tricks. Here's a method that not many people are aware of, and we'll demonstrate it to you. When filling out a survey, you don't have to answer all of the questions correctly. You may simply select any response and continue. Once you've selected a random response, they may earn more money and do additional surveys. And here's another trick. Because there'll be a lot of adverts displayed to you after you complete a survey or while you're answering a survey, you won't notice the next button right away. The next button is down at the bottom, and they did this on purpose so that you'll accidentally click on one of the advertisements there and they'll be paid instead. So every time you answer a survey or a question, make sure to scroll down all the way to the bottom so that you can move to the next question. The reason why they pay you to perform different surveys is that they hope that you may be interested or might mistakenly click on one of the ads in here, of course. Number 1. What makes Paid Era the best? They provide endless assignments to accomplish every day, so there's no limit to how much money you may make every day. They pay you to invite your friends to join us, so you may profit from your social circle. Reach the minimum payment level and effortlessly request your fast payment, which is accessible 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Other websites or offers can be signed up for or subscribed to. They have a number of surveys accessible for you to complete. Now, since we're smarter and know better, you don't even have to think about it. Simply click the next button at the bottom. But our greatest suggestion here is to keep completing the easy jobs so you may make more money in the long term, and by the end of it, you'll be earning money and it'll all be worth it. So if you're interested in making some easy money on the side, do let us know in the comments down below. If you found the video informative and enjoyed it, do let us know by smashing that like button, and if you want more content like this going forward, then all you have to do is subscribe to our channel and make sure to hit that bell icon to receive notifications down the line. And as always, I'll catch you guys later in another great video. Bye now!